Before the video starts, there is also a new card that popped up not long ago. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to create a special video just for him. Hey there, Hamster Kombat warriors. Are you ready to absolutely dominate the arena and watch your coin stash explode? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the ultimate guide on the best Hamster Kombat cards that'll supercharge your earnings without emptying your wallet. This is the insider info you've been waiting for, so let's jump right in. Listen up, because we've got a ton of game-changing strategies to cover. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button right now. We're constantly dropping knowledge bombs to help you crush it in Hamster Kombat. And if you're a returning viewer, you know the drill: like, share, and get ready for some mind-blowing tips. All right, let's kick things off with the market tab. This section is an absolute goldmine if you know where to look. First up, we've got fan tokens. These little beauties are a solid investment, especially when you hit level 13. We're talking over 19,000 coins per hour. That's not chump change, folks. But here's where it gets really interesting. If you invest 55,000 coins in a level 7 fan token, you'll break even in just 6.71 hours. After that, it's all profit, baby. Imagine waking up every morning to a mountain of coins, all thanks to this one smart investment. Now let's talk about the heavy hitters margin trading cards. These bad boys range from 10x to a mind-blowing 100x leverage. It's like strapping a rocket to your earnings potential. The standout here is the 50x card at level 15. This monster generates around 27,000 coins per hour. If you're serious about maximizing your hourly profits, this card is an absolute must-have in your deck. But wait, there's more. Don't overlook the Web3 integration card. At level 13, this unassuming card is quietly pulling in over 15,000 coins per hour. It's like having a money printing machine running in the background while you focus on the flashier cards. Integrating this into your strategy will give you a consistent flow of coins that'll make your opponents green with envy. Now hold on to your hamster wheels, because we're about to enter the realm of serious gains, the specials tab. This is where the magic really happens, folks. We're talking about cards that can net you over 20,000 coins per hour once you hit level 11 and beyond. It's like hitting the jackpot, but better, because it keeps paying out. Let me introduce you to the dynamic duo of the specials tab. Pre-market launch, and traders are lining up. These powerhouses are earning you 7,500 coins per hour right out of the gate at level 1. Yes, you heard that right. Level 1. Imagine the potential when you level these bad boys up. It's like watching your bank account do backflips, but the specials tab has even more hidden gems. Keep your eyes peeled for Ton Hamster Kombat, USDT on Ton, and Consensus Piranha Pass. Now I'll be straight with you. These cards might play hard to get. They often require you to complete specific activities or tasks before you can add them to your arsenal. But trust me, they're worth jumping through a few hoops for. The returns on these cards can be absolutely astronomical. Now let's sneak into the legal tab. I know legal sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but hear me out. These cards are the hidden treasures of Hamster Kombat, and if you're not utilizing them, you're leaving serious coins on the table. Take Licensed Japan, for example. At level 12, this beauty is churning out a jaw-dropping 46,000 coins per hour. That's not a typo, folks. It's like having your own personal Fort Knox right in your Hamster Kombat deck. And hot on its heels is Licensed Ethiopia, another high earner that'll make your coin balance soar. Now, I'll be honest, these legal cards take some effort to unlock. You'll need to complete specific activities and upgrade other cards before you can purchase them. But let me tell you, the payoff is well worth the effort. These cards offer unparalleled earnings, making them a top target for any serious player. The key here is to calculate your time and investments wisely. Plan your strategy, focus on unlocking these powerhouse cards, and watch as your earnings skyrocket. It's like playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. You're thinking 3 moves ahead, and your bank balance will thank you for it. Last but not least, let's talk about the often overlooked PR team tab. Now, I can almost hear you thinking, PR, isn't that for corporate suits? Well, prepare to have your mind blown, because there's serious coin to be made here if you know where to look. While this section might offer the lowest hourly profits at first glance, don't dismiss it just yet. The key here is to focus on the profit-to-investment ratio. It's not always about the biggest numbers. Sometimes, it's about the smartest investments. The star of the show in the PR Team tab is the Consensus Explorer Pass. At level 11, this unassuming card is quietly generating over 23,000 coins per hour. It might not be shouting from the rooftops, but it's definitely pulling its weight in your coin-earning empire. Adding this card to your lineup can provide a steady stream of income while you focus on your bigger earners. Now let's talk strategy. Having all these powerful cards is great, but the real key to dominating Hamster Kombat is knowing how to use them effectively. It's not just about having the flashiest cards or the biggest numbers. It's about creating a balanced, synergistic deck that maximizes your earnings potential. Start by focusing on a few key cards that align with your playstyle and investment capabilities. Maybe you're all about that high-risk, high-reward life with margin trading cards. Or perhaps you prefer the steady, reliable income of fan tokens and Web3 integration. Whatever your style, make sure your deck reflects it. As you progress and earn more coins, start branching out into the higher-earning cards. Remember those legal tab powerhouses we talked about? Make unlocking those a priority. Yes, it'll take time and effort, but the payoff is absolutely worth it. Don't forget to level up your cards regularly. A level 1 card might be impressive at first, but it's nothing compared to its potential at higher levels. Reinvest your earnings into upgrading your best performers, and watch as your hourly coin generation goes through the roof. Another pro tip, keep an eye on the market. Hamster Kombat is a dynamic game, and new cards are introduced regularly. Stay informed about the latest additions and how they might fit into your strategy. Sometimes, a new card can be the missing piece that takes your earnings to the next level. Remember, diversity is key. While it's tempting to go all in on the highest earning cards, having a mix of high earners and steady performers will give you a more stable and sustainable income. It's like building a balanced investment portfolio, but way more fun because, hamsters. Now let's talk about the importance of community in Hamster Kombat. This game isn't just about solo grinding. It's about being part of a thriving ecosystem of players. Join forums, participate in discussions, and share strategies with your fellow Hamster Kombat warriors. Not only will you learn new tips and tricks, but you'll also stay motivated and engaged. And speaking of community, that's exactly what we're building right here on this channel. Every like, comment, and share helps us reach more Hamster Kombat enthusiasts, creating a powerhouse of collective knowledge. Together, we can unlock the full potential of this awesome game. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of our top earning cards. 1. Licensed Japan, legal tab, 46,000 coins an hour at level 12. 2. 50x margin trading, market tab, 27,000 coins hour at level 15. 3. Consensus Explorer Pass, PR Team tab, 23,000 coins hour at level 11. 4. Fan Tokens Market tab, 19,000 coins hour at level 13. 5. Web3 Integration Market tab, 15,000 coins hour at level 13. Remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless combinations and strategies to explore in Hamster Kombat. The key is to experiment, adapt, and never stop learning. So there you have it, Hamster Kombat Warriors, the ultimate guide to turning your humble hamster hustle into a full-blown rodent empire. With these cards in your arsenal and these strategies in your playbook, you'll be swimming in coins faster than a hamster on a turbocharged wheel. Remember, success in Hamster Kombat isn't just about having the best cards, it's about how you use them. Mix and match, experiment with different combinations, and find the strategy that works best for you. And most importantly, have fun. How awesome is that? Before you rush off to implement all these amazing strategies, do your fellow warriors a solid, smash that like button, share this video with every Hamster Kombat player you know, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We've got tons more Hamster Kombat content coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until next time, keep those hamsters fighting, those coins flowing. And remember, in the world of Hamster Kombat, fortune favors the bold and the ones with the best cards. Now go forth and conquer, you magnificent hamster-wrangling beasts. The arena awaits, and greatness is calling your name. See you in the next video, champions.